So you're looking for the most spectacular house in all of Marbella. You also need the best, most secure location in all of Marbella. And hey, I want views that blow my mind. Well, welcome to this masterpiece. Come check it out. There's no greater feeling than walking into a house, especially in this type of location, and just looking forwards as you open the doors and seeing the beautiful sea. However, let's back up a little bit because we can't not talk about this double height ceiling, this incredible light that's sort of centered around these double staircases and this beautiful classic mansion feel. But follow me through to the living room. So as we enter this beautiful living room with a stunning fireplace there, you have a sense that it's really cozy. But don't forget there's over 1,558 square meters with an extension for up to 2,000 square meters. The reason why it's cozy is because this is one living room. To my right, there's another sitting room, which is also large. To my left here, there's this stunning seating area with a huge table for dining. And all of it frames this incredible terrace and garden with the best views I've probably ever seen. So as we enter this beautiful garden, this amazing pool area, huge swimming pool, it's all pre-installed to be heated. You've got a beautiful seating area there that of course is covered. You've got 2 more seating areas there, and everything really points towards either the incredible views in front of us or this amazing view behind. Now we're talking about a double plot that's set on the highest position in the best location in all of Marbella. But what is this location? Well, that's really very, very important. This location is Sierra Blanca. And for those of you who don't know what Sierra Blanca is, shame on you because you should, because it's one of the best, it's the best location in Marbella. Why? Because it's very private, because every house around here is the most influential families probably in all of Europe, because it's gated, because it's got security, because it's 4 minutes from the center of Marbella. I can keep going. There is no better location. And have a look at those views. There's Porto Banús. You can almost see Marbella Port. You can see the whole coast from here. And that's what Sierra Blanca is. And as usual, we have to do the master suite test. Now this one's got something very special. If you need a walk-in closet, that's awesome. But what if you need 2? That's right, I've got one here, one here. But aside from the fact that this house actually manages to mix 2 types of materials, which are these beautiful parquet wooden floors and marble, which is super rare for Spain. But why do we come to Spain? Well, listen, we come to Spain for the weather, we come for all of the culture, etc., etc. But we really want to see the sea. And there's the sea. In fact, I can wave at people on Gibraltar. It looks so close. I can see Africa. I can see the beach. I can see people on their boats and their jet skis. And guess what? You get to wake up next to this every day. So sadly, that's it. That's all we have time for today. Thank you so much for joining us. And I don't want to make you jealous, but I'm just going to hang out here and just enjoy these views. But if you want to know more about this house, check out the link below and of course follow us. Thanks for spending time. See you later.